Hey, what's up, Chainlink holder? So I have something new for Chainlink holder and something very special for everyone, my brother. So let's start the brand video, my brother. Please, in this video, I will predicate this coin. I will do technical analyzing, and also I will give you something very special update. So please remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. All right, my brother. Channel link is absolutely, my brother, on the trending this time, and completely the price is increasing now. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days, all change occurring positive now. So that's a really great news, my brother, for all of you. To this time, channel link will is in the trending now, my brother. This time the price is very, my friend, cheap now. So if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this is very good time, my brother. So the price absolutely change occur. You can see here 0.31% the price is increased, and you can see here 23.15 USD dollar is the latest price of Chainlink coin. So this time, brother, you can see a features and only check out, my friend, the last 7 days to what's going on in last 7 days. This is also very important, so we will better understand, my brothers, to upcoming time can there is a chances so they will moving upward or not. So in last 7 days, you can see here the price is 24.35. That's mean to the price is fades down. But as you can see, my brother, in last 7 days the change occur very good now, 18.5% profit. That's a really great news, my brother, for all of you. To this time the price will be get a profit now. Congratulations, everyone. And I hope, my brother, in upcoming time they will also move upward now. They will jump like that, but just in only that's all need, my brother, to you hold now. And absolutely, if you hold, so I hope the price will be increasing now. Let's see channeling holder to what they do, but kindly please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.